Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, Elves TV. So today's video ay kakanta muna tayo. Tingnan natin. At bagong content. So shout out sa inyong lahat. That's what friends are for.
What friends are for. Well, you came and opened me, and now there's so much more I see. And so, by the way, thank you. And then, for the times when we're apart, well, then close your eyes and know these words are coming from my heart. And then if you can remember, keep smiling, keep shining, know you can always count on me, for sure. That's what friends are for good times and bad times. I'll be on your side forevermore. That's what friends